about you.
Yo guys, we're playing Specter.
Wait, should I start recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Hopefully, it's this.
Hi everyone, we're doing
hold on, be back.
Specter today.
No, we're not. We're doing Jimmy Bobson.
What? We're doing
Are you heard me?
No.
I'm allowed to say what I want since I'm hanging around with a load of boys.
Yes, you are hanging around with boys. There's someone called Egg in this server. Wait, what's the stuff in the shops?
I need a bit
They're
more.
all girls.
I want Zara, but I only have 613.
We'll play a match of Spectre and you get more money.
I know, that's what we're doing!
Ziggy, you back yet?
I'm a violent woman. I'm smacking around Miss Misa the
Okay,
second.
guys, I'm back.
Yeah, I've started rec.
Okay, guys, we are playing Specter.
Okay.
We're doing arcade on easy because
The game where you get hunted by a ghost called My Mum, because she heard you up at 3 AM playing Spectre again.
who?
That's why I'm
No.
recording.
That's only what Alani
So
does.
guys, we're gonna do arcade
Yeah.
on easy because there's like a thing that you can build an arcade. Build an arcade, then it'll tell you
Hold
tasks to do.
It's called
there.
an intense love machine. I'm not going to say that word because I'm kind of family friendly.
What, are you recording as well?
No.
No, we're recording and she don't, because like I'm a family friendly channel.
Okay.
Are you?
Guys,
Stop.
let's start this.
Ziggy, yeah, let's do this.
I can't say
Alani,
Alani's on
Alani.
phone.
Alani, do not spam the thing you spammed before because that's not allowed to be shown on family friendly.
How is that not meant? What?
Oh god.
Yeah, you're not allowed to say it.
Whew. You know when I went, yeah, it was still recording, so.
Yeah, I know. You just got a big black screen of Alani and me talking.
EMF, yes.
Taxi thermometer.
I already took it.
Okay.
Sometimes. Sad.
Okay, guys, time to speedrun. Pizza time. Speedrun time.
Are you Dream?
I
No.
dream.
Wait, who's Dream?
You. No, me!
Who's Dream?
Doo-doo-doo-doo.
Dead in chat. Oh, turn up my volume.
Oh, wait, actually, no. Actually, no. Not me. I am not in love with George. So, guess what? No, Alani is in love with George.
Ooh, so
so-
Ziggy, you know me and Alani went through the back entrance. Where are
I know.
you?
I went to go to get the big fat arcade thing.
Am I allowed to say some words right now?
Yes. I mean,
Just depends on what they are. Oh my god, you scared me.
I am a ghost. Unga bunga.
Ooga bunga!
Scary. Scary. Come on, guys. You're scared. Aww. You
I don't even know where you are.
scared. Aww.
No, I'm not scared. Because if
Rah,
I was scared,
rah,
I wouldn't be in.
Why'd you go so close? You weird.
You're the
I
scariest
was
man
flashing
ever.
my light.
Power's off, I'm pretty
Take a
sure.
pen. Yeah, it is.
I'm going to shove my flashlight up your ass.
Ooh. Oh.
Bit sus.
I mean, if it's a,
Yeah,
if it-
power's off, power's
if
off.
it's a few swear words for me, it's okay.
Like, not when you get too high up.
I
Shoot.
Oh,
Hey,
well,
guys.
there's a-
Hey,
there's a
guys.
door.
Look through here, guys.
I've accidentally just said a really bad word by accident.
Oh, I didn't
Stop.
even hear that.
Good. Stop showing the doors on it, you mofo.
Bun.
I will throw bon at you if I
Oh, I forgot.
They're off completely.
like a mare.
It might, yeah, that's what I was gonna say. It might be a mare
No,
'cause of the
it's
power.
you,
Oh.
Alani. It's you. You're a man.
I'm the ghost. Ziggy, I'm the ghost.
No. Report. Yes. Okay, reported that. And now we
I
pick
like-
up. They got everyone. It's
Listen.
okay, guys.
There's
Clear.
a missing wire.
I like to lick little kids' toes.
Where are you, Ziggy?
Ziggy's probably licking little kids' toes.
I'm dead.
No, you're not.
You're not
I'm
dead.
I resetted my character.
What?
Guys,
that even-
come behind you! Look, we can rebuild the bloody. Rebuild. Boom. Interact.
I'm trying to be as family friendly as possible.
Okay. Is this a talking arcade machine? I think that's me. Like the skin is called Winters. That's
The
my
light's
skin. That's
completely
my
turned
skin.
off.
I think.
My skin's called Lily, and I'm gonna be buying a new one soon when I have enough
Okay,
money.
everyone. So we
Lights
now,
Lights are completely off. Lights are completely off.
this one you have to check events. So I'm gonna check this one. Nope, nothing. You guys
That's
do
what we're
that.
just doing.
Wait, you guys do that.
That's
and
how
I'll-
I've never done this before, so I know where the other vent is.
I know where all the events are. Okay, you guys just turn on the lights.
I freaking know.
Well, what do you think I'm trying to find?
My lads play blow blocks inside of blow blocks.
Okay, everyone, I just found the key, so go get back there, but don't start it, okay? Don't start it.
Get back
Please
where?
put off, I'm lost.
I'm going to the keys. No, not the keys. The lights.
Go
And
to
I'm
the
going-
arcade. Go to where the arcade is, but don't start it. Don't start it, because it's flashing up
What?
again.
Oh, this? Okay.
Okay, we can do
Ziggy,
it now. Guys, close the door. Close the door.
No, Ziggy. I got locked out.
Close the doors. Then we can do
Ziggy
it.
will never find love. That's what the arcade machine's saying.
Is that me? I
Yes.
think that's me. Before we begin, what are you?
I know. Y'all back, boys.
I am meant to protect this arcade from people who want to learn about the truths and secret of this place. Our greatest aim, the sandwich dog.
Hmm?
Operate on sandwiches, they tried to save their lives. Right, Dave? Never made it out. Because it was not the greatest argument we had.
Okay.
Right. I forgot about the trial. Let's move on then. I like to call this the kindergarten class trial.
That's not me.
That's not me.
I am ready to destroy this machine. What? Are we gonna destroy it or not?
Let's just go along with it.
That's
now.
me.
No, it isn't.
Is that not me? Who am I then? I'm so confused.
Okay. Now, oh wait. I think Elani's phone died.
She said she's calling on her tablet.
Oh.
So her tablet must have died. She's playing on phone. Her tablet must have died.
Whoa. Okay.
So what are we doing now?
Okay, now look at this. Let me do this bit, okay?
Why is there flashing arcades?
Okay, it's switch. Okay, let me do this, okay? I know it.
Wait, does this have to do with the Wait, can I turn on these? Oh, yes, I can. Good.
Okay, so none of those three. So what about this one? No.
Ziggy,
What about
there's
this
one.
one? Okay, this one.
Where are you?
That one went off. Okay, what about this one? Nope.
Where are you?
This
Oh,
one.
you're
This
here.
one. No, this one.
How about this one?
This one. Oliver, let me try. So this one. Let me try
How about this one?
Nope.
Is there one in the other room?
Oliver, let me just do it.
I'm coming with you, but I don't know.
Is it
How
this
has
one?
Alani not died yet?
Okay, this one. Nope. Okay, at least we know where.
Ziggy, there's a black one here.
No, those ones are not on.
Am I dead or something?
No.
Okay.
No, you're still.
And
You're still
then, yeah, Oliver, check that one. Check that one.
You will leave me.
No, we're just doing the arcade, like interacting with the arcades, because they're glowing.
I'm coming.
About
I'm just.
this one here. No,
Alan, you scared me.
Alani, let me
I'm
do
not a
this.
ghost. I only lick little
Let-
kids' toes.
Let me do this. There.
Ziggy, let me lick your toes.
Oh my
Wait,
God,
is there
I
a
just want
pattern
the
where
ghost.
you need to follow?
Oh, for God's sake. Oh,
I want to lick your toes.
it went silent. Okay, never mind then. Now
No,
it's
it didn't, there's
scary.
music.
Yeah, because the
I'm gonna
music
lick
just came.
toes.
Music. No, stop! Go away, fair demon.
I'm not a demon. I'm
So-
not from demon.
Oh, I did it!
Now what do we do?
Now we go back to where are the lights?
It's this way.
Yeah, it isn't
Up,
it?
up Oliver's ass.
What?
That's sus.
I'm sorry.
So
I can't see. You shut the door on me, you mofo.
Interact.
Daddy.
I guess you guys do know your codes very well. We will now proceed on to the third trial, the public speaker trial.
Daddy.
Difficult it is for Sunny to interact with each other on a daily basis.
Daddy, arcade machine.
Conversation.
You know we're still recording.
Oh.
The staff. The only issue is the intercom isn't working, so just find something else to replace it with.
Wait,
Buy something else.
Replace it. What? Okay, Lalani, that's you now.
I don't have the patience. Kick arcade machine cutely.
Look, yes, we are here for Raymond.
Wait, you're Raymond.
No,
I'm pretty sure.
no.
Someone
Say your name, Jonas.
forget it, guys. Let's go to the third trial. Why is there a flashlight on the floor? Oh, it's Elodie's.
Fine, I accidentally dropped it. That's why the room went dark.
Okay, guys, the lights.
Remember, we're still red.
The lights out, kinda.
Where do we go now?
Oh,
Oh, you gotta be.
I can't freaking see.
oh my God. Oh.
Is it near you?
Ah! Oh,
Elodie, don't
God.
come that way. Don't come that way.
Let's take.
Ziggy, don't. No, Ziggy.
Wait, the ghost is gone.
Where is it?
Oh my God.
No, it's not.
Wait, let me stab at it. Wait, it's not doing it. Lanny, don't die. Lanny, don't die. No, watch this.
Who's it after?
I think it's me. Alani, if you run away, it's probably me.
Secret.
It's after you, Alani.
Stop, Ziggy.
It's done. It's done. Don't worry, jeez.
Oh, hi, Ziggy.
Oh, hi, Oliver.
I was just running around.
You should know I'm a weirdo, scaredy cat tingly.
Okay, there we go. Okay.
Now what? No.
What did we have to
What?
replace? So we have to
My
replace.
broken. I never had a soul. I need a soul.
I think it was replace the.
Oh, that music turned out.
No, it
I'm
didn't.
going
to-
I can still hear music.
Oh, it just turned back on.
If you don't give me your soul, I'll lick your toes.
Lights turned out completely
Tell that
again.
to Oliver, jeez, not me.
I don't want to say that yet.
Okay, that means you can lick any kids if they're in there.
Hello, is anyone doing a pee pee poo poo?
Wait, someone get in there.
Is
Someone
anyone
get in there.
cracking
Someone get in there.
There's something on the floor.
Yeah, that's crap.
I think that's for trial 6.
Yeah.
'Cause
No, I think.
Wait,
Oh my god, my sanity's
no,
33.
my sense is 30.
Mine's 32.
Oh, maybe it's in here. Maybe it's in here. Maybe it's in there. Oh, it's in this room. Oh, I'm hearing ghosts.
Yeah, that's just you. I'm about to.
Oh, 28.
Sanity's at.
Mine's 30.
Ooh.
Can you stop closing the doors?
Because I don't
Oh,
have
you
both
can
of
see me.
them at the moment.
Look,
so-
is the ghost following us? Because my sanity's gone down quite a bit.
And
It's
also,
only-
wait, it's on easy. We
Could
have
be
been in
fun.
here. We have been in here for quite a long time.
Yeah. We should
We've been
go.
hunted once.
We should go out to the van and discuss things.
Oh, guess what the funny thing is, yeah? We went in and never came out. That's creepy.
Ziggy, I thought you said you know how to do this.
I don't know, wait, I forgot the
Everyone to
third
the
one.
van. We need to discuss everything that's happened.
Okay,
And
everyone,
I-
yay.
I'm at 26 sanity.
I'm the
okay?
lowest sanity, so I've been in there for the longest. Let's go.
I'm at 24.
Basically.
Wait, we've done pretty much every task except sanitary.
That.
Okay, I was
Okay,
gone
that was me. I did both of those tasks.
when I was AFK feeding my dogs. Did you get anything of a clue?
No, we were just doing stuff. I don't even know.
No, when
Hey,
when you went, we were just listening to the arcade.
You're useless then.
How are we useless? We were doing the tasks.
I'm going to shove this flashlight up your anus.
Okay. No.
I'm going to shove it up as well.
Remember, we're still recording, Eleni, so be careful what you say. Why is Ziggy just spinning around in circles?
You spin me right around, baby. Is he too bad?
Oh my god, I fell over. I fell over while trying to spin around.
Epic pole dance.
No, the door's glitched.
No!
We have to go through the front door now.
Get it!
You spin me right round, baby, right round.
Like Ziggy has no love in his life.
You don't. You simp for girlfriend all the time.
No! No!
Bye bye. I'm going in spinning. And I'm not gonna spin out, because guess what?
I remember when you had always used to wear caps.
Shut up.
It's true though!
Yeah, I know, but... Guys, why am I still spinning around? I'm not even pressing anything now.
Because your character obviously wants to be Tubbo.
Yeah.
Turbo's,
Down, baby,
an idiot.
Ziggy, what do these buttons in there do?
How do I
You
know?
pee on them to activate them. Go pee on them.
Actually, not peeing on it.
I'm not peeing on it.
Okay,
Oh,
no, Alani, that was you, because all you said
No.
was actually...
on it.
Oh my god, my character's back!
Okay. Back from being fat.
Oh, I think it's an air.
What are we supposed to
Yeah.
be doing?
Wait, Alani, isn't that different? Wait, that's different.
No, yeah.
That's different!
Fast.
Despair!
I know.
Despair!
Is it Juju Anishima? Hello, Juju Anishima. My
Who?
No, that's despair. Okay,
Juju Anishima, the ultimate despair.
oh. Okay, there we go, son. You got scared, guys. Oh no. Is
Oh
it
no,
this?
you're getting scared, you pee baby.
I said oh no because my sanity went below 10.
Mine's at 10.
Mine's at 8.
I don't hear any whispering, and mine's below 30.
Yeah, because your volume's probably off.
Ooh.
My volume's all the way up, Oliver.
Well, so is mine.
Oliver!
No, it's not actually. It's not very
Turn on
high.
the light, turn on the light.
No.
This. Okay.
Hey,
Okay, everybody. So guys. We are trying to find... I don't know.
We're trying to find my ghosts.
Yeah.
No, we're trying to find the things.
Guys, my sanity's below 4. I'm on 3 sanity.
Mine's 5.
Okay, Alani, you're staying in here.
I'm not.
Oh no. 2.
Music just turned out. Oh, no.
Oh,
Again.
Hey. Where is he?
The lowest sanity must go down. That's me.
Ziggy's in there.
Wait,
Oh, hello. Hello.
He's stuck.
guys, just stand where I am. He can't get out.
Lol.
Well, the
Mine's
lowest,
0 sanity.
well,
I don't know what mine's at. I don't have a
to
sanity.
cut this out, I'm gonna die.
Oh, look at him. He looks adorable. No, Ziggy. Ziggy.
Oh.
Okay. I don't
Ziggy,
know.
I'm at
Like 3.
-1 sanity.
Ow, Oliver!
Not me.
Yes, he was.
It was not.
If it was me, I wouldn't be outside. I would be outside if it was me.
I just got out, turned around, and it closed.
Come on. You
It
bully
wasn't
shit. Alani's.
I'm at -1 sanity.
All
right
of our
now.
sanity's gone.
I'm
Alani.
at
Oh.
0 sanity.
Yeah, we got.
Yes, I'm on 1 sanity. Let's go. Oh no.
I'm at -1 sanity.
No, you're not. You're on 1. Oh, there we go.
No, literally it says -1 on my sanity watch, which the squad sanity just is random.
What do I can't tell? I feel like
Guys.
it's a mare. It keeps the lights.
Guys, guess what's the funny thing is, yeah? I got all these
What?
objectives.
No.
Yeah? I had
'Cause
find
we all
dirty
have-
water.
0 sanity, all of us.
No, I was the first one.
Yeah, and it says an average team sanity of 0%.
No, you only need one person to have you.
No, you don't. You need everyone.
Yeah.
It
Not
says-
everyone, at least about half or a quarter, which
So,
is like
which is
2.
if Oliver had like 50 left and I had 0, that's half.
Yeah, I don't have 50 sanity to do it.
Shall we leave it off here?
Yeah.
Are you sure? Because we don't even know. Shall we at least find the ghost and then we'll
Let's
leave?
guess if it's a mare.
I think it's a mare. Cause I have a P.
Wait, what's the thing from Mare again?
It's like
Freezing temperatures ores box.
I'm
Freezing temperatures ores.
dripping with sweat, and it's so annoying. I know I might be wearing all black, but that doesn't prove a point.
Done. Mine's as
So
a
what
mare.
is it? Wait, wait.
No.
Oh,
It's
oh.
freezing temperatures.
There you go, guys, done.
Ores.
So,
Alani, it's your turn.
ready?
Thinking,
Yeah.
I'm exposing you. You're an emo. You're an
No, I don't. 3, 2, 1.
Phantom. I think it might have been a phantom.
emo.
No, because we've been in there for like 10 minutes.
True. I think I would agree with Ziggy. It's a mare.
It's a shade.
How was it a shade?
I mean, we were in. How long were you inside, Alani?
I was inside for 13 minutes.
Oliver?
How long were you?
No, were you? I asked you first.
It says 14.06. That's
It's-
inside.
I went
So
outside.
time inside was 14 minutes 47. 4 minutes.
It said doesn't shade hunt alone, and we were all together when it hunted.
Yeah.
Our
That's
good
fine.
range was 2.
Guys, what's your time outside?
5 seconds. 5.9 seconds.
I had to go out. Mine
Yeah.
says
5.09.
That's 5 minutes.
Oh wait, sorry, I got confused.
I was outside for 4 minutes 28 seconds.
Yeah, I was out for 5 minutes.
So that video was basically 20 minutes.
Oh God.
So
No, 19 minutes 50 seconds for me.
Yeah, same.
So guys,
That will be all for this video.
I
Video.
just did.
Have a lovely rest of your day. See
Peace.
ya.
I started.
and also subscribe and hit the like button.
God, I want to be more famous forever.